Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your experience section to highlight impact with Quantified, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing your existing experience section. Identify the key roles you've held and the responsibilities associated with each. Take note of specific achievements in each position. Quantify your accomplishments using concrete numbers whenever possible. For example, instead of saying improved sales, state increased sales by 30% in 6 months. Consider the context in which you achieved these results. Think about how your actions contributed to overall team or company goals. Use metrics that reflect your impact, such as revenue growth, cost savings, or project completion rates. If you're unsure of specific numbers, revisit performance reviews or consult metrics from your previous roles. Look for themes that connect your experiences, such as leadership, innovation, or problem solving. Draft bullet points for each role that reflect both your responsibilities and your quantified achievements. Focus on action verbs that convey leadership and initiative, such as spearheaded, generated, or enhanced. Ensure that each bullet point is concise but sufficiently detailed to convey your impact. Use industry-specific terminology to highlight your expertise. Consider seeking feedback from peers or mentors on your draft to ensure clarity and impact. Revise your bullet points based on feedback, aiming for clarity and engagement. Check for grammatical accuracy and consistency in formatting. Finalize your experience section, ensuring that it flows logically from one position to the next. Integrate the revised section into your resume or professional profile. Proofread your entire document to ensure it presents a polished and professional image. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.